Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing an Amazon favorites video. I did do an Amazon haul a few weeks ago, but this one is actually favorites. So this is just stuff that I have used for quite some time now and I absolutely love. And if you're anything like me, you're just at home online ordering. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys some ideas of stuff to get from Amazon if you're wondering, or just stuff that I think you would love because I do. And yeah, so if you guys want to see my Amazon favorites, and just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am 7 months pregnant now, so don't mind me if I'm out of breath because that's just me all the time. First thing I wanted to mention is this Lazy Susan. I think that's what it's called. And it's basically like a little tray where you can put spices or stuff like in your pantry or your kitchen. So I usually, like, what I have in it, I obviously take everything out, but I usually have like baking stuff on here, so like food coloring, sprinkles, just stuff like that is what I have in this one. I have two, but this is from Amazon and I freaking love it, you guys. It's made life so much easier just because I don't have to like look through my freaking cabinet and see where my stuff is at. Like, I literally just flip this around, grab what I need, and then I can put it back in the same spot. And it's just like, you guys, we need this. If you cook a lot, if you have a lot of spices, like, you should have one of these. And it was really inexpensive. It's all freaking dirty, but it's super inexpensive, and yeah, I've been freaking loving this. Okay, so another thing that I have had for a long time, honestly, I want to say I've had this for at least a couple years, is this mat to clean your face, or to clean like makeup brushes in general. So the one that I ordered has this one, and it also came with this little one right here. So I actually use both. It's so freaking easy to clean your brushes, you guys. Like, so freaking easy. I feel like everybody should have these. I've seen these like at, I don't know, it's like Five and Below or maybe even the Dollar Tree. But I don't remember how much I paid for it. I will link it. It's been a long time. But this is just one of those things that I highly recommend. I don't really feel like you need all of this. Honestly, even if you have like just a small one like this, you're good to go. But this is definitely must have if you have a lot of makeup brushes. Or even if you don't, it just sucks to have to sit there and like just take time and minutes and like even an hour for me because I have so many freaking brushes, and this makes it like that much easier. Okay, another thing I wanted to mention are these little clear hair ties. So I mean they came in this bag, I just have them in here still. It's all freaking beat up, but I like this package that I got because it has clear like ties, but it actually has a whole bunch of different sizes, which is super convenient because sometimes you need like a bigger one. Like if I'm trying to do like a braid up here and I need like a big one to hold my hair, or if you're just like tying the ends of a braid, then you don't need them that big. But the reason I like this specific one that I ordered is it actually stretches like a lot, and the ones that I've gotten in the past, like literally like look, I got like fitted on my wrist, but obviously it'll cut off my circulation. But just so you guys know, it's pretty flexible and you can stretch it out a lot. There's a lot of little headbands that or not headbands, there's a lot of little like hair ties or like plastic ties like these that I've gotten that don't stretch at all, which freaking sucks. Or if they do, they literally like pop right away, like they break. And I literally have had this for a long time. I have so many still, and it's lasted me forever. So this next recommendation is actually going to be for people that have Mac computers or MacBook Pros, laptops. I have a MacBook Pro, and so when I got it, I didn't realize that it didn't have any USB ports, which I thought was kind of dumb. Like, it's crazy because it's like, you know, so advanced and high technology, but it literally only has the regular like Apple ports, like for the charging, if that makes sense. If you have a MacBook Pro or like a MacBook, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so this is an adapter. This is so that way you can hook up USBs, but also for me, like since I edit, an SD card. And I actually had gotten another one. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Okay, so when I originally got my computer, I had bought this one, and this is from Satichi, I don't know, honestly. And this was freaking expensive, you guys. It has an SD port, 2 USBs, and I don't even know what that's for. This was freaking expensive, and literally, I mean, I had it for a good like maybe 2 years, and then it broke on me. Like, I thought it was my computer and I was like devastated. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. But the thing about my MacBook Pro, it has 4 different ports where I could stick this in, and neither one worked, but the charging thing worked. So I was like, okay, that's probably this, which I was super bummed out because I want to say I paid like $50 for this. So anyway, moving on. So that takes me to this product, this, I want to say I paid no more than $30 for it. And it does have this. So in a way, I think I like this better than just sticking it straight on the computer, because sometimes this was like uneven. So this was like at least $20 cheaper. If it was more than that, like I'll put it here. But this is just if you have a MacBook Pro or whatever, it doesn't have like a port for USBs, or you need one for an SD attachment. I definitely highly recommend this one. Again, I will link everything on the bottom bar, but just in case you're looking for one, highly recommend this adapter. It works really good and it's not as expensive, so save you some money. The next thing I want to recommend are for people that have AirPods. So these are my AirPods. I love AirPods. So if you have AirPods, I highly recommend a case like this, because it literally, I've dropped this so many times because I use it a lot. So I've dropped it so many times and I feel like just having this little silicone cover on it really helps from protecting it. They have such a wide variety of cases. Like nowadays I see like so many cute ones. I've seen like avocado ones, and I've seen like just like a whole bunch of different ones. I personally don't really care for those just because they seem really bulky, but I'm fine with my little cute silicone case. It's super cute. It actually came with like a little like pom-pom and something for my keys, which I actually still own, but they're on my keys, they're not on here, and has a little hook. So if you wanted to have it like all together, you could do that. If you guys have AirPods, I highly recommend putting a case on it to protect it. And the silicone ones are really cute and really inexpensive as well. So the next two things I'm going to recommend are actually hairstyle products, or yeah, hairstylers, whatever. So this one is a Revlon. I honestly forgot the actual name of it. I'm going to put it right here. But this is basically like a, excuse the hair that's on here. I literally tried to take it off, but I use this a lot. So it's basically like a blow dryer, hair dryer, but with like a brush. Which I think for me, for example, like I have a lot of freaking hair. And I have a lot of hair and it's like super freaking crazy. And honestly, I've never been the type of person that like blow dries her hair just because, one, I have so much hair, but I'm just like, I don't like having to do like a round brush and holding the hair dryer, and it's just like, I'd rather let my hair air dry. That's just the type of person that I am. But I've had this for at least like half a year. And it's such a good product because it's like 2-in-1, so you don't have to have like both of your arms. Like literally, I just do this, like I just part my hair like halfway through, do one, and then just, you know, let my hair fall. And this is like super nice. My hair doesn't get as puffy, and I just get to dry my hair that much faster. In the past, I usually never took like showers at night just because my hair takes so long to dry. So I would either take one in the morning, or like as soon as I got home from work. Like I wouldn't take a shower past like 6 or 7 if I was like washing my hair, because it takes like hours for my hair to dry. And I hate going to bed with my hair wet, because literally I wake up like all stuffy the next day. And you know, my mom, like if you have a Mexican mom, they say que te vas a resfriar, que te vas a enfermar, que no te vas a dormir con el pelo mojado. So I never did that. You get bumps in your head and like whatever. I never go to sleep with my hair wet. It's like a game changer. But still, if you have a lot of hair like me, or you just like to blow dry your hair like on the regular, this is a really good product. The only thing is that obviously it's just a little bulky and it's a little heavy, but I don't think it's anything compared to having to have like a round brush and a hair dryer. It's definitely way more convenient to have one of these. So I highly recommend for my girls out there, or anybody that has long hair. So the next hair product I wanted to recommend, or hairstyler, is actually this Crimper. So I really like this. This is from the brand Bedhead. So I think they usually have like hair products, like not actual like hot tools, if that makes sense. But I really like this. And I don't think I paid that much for it. I want to say it was like 20 bucks, which honestly I think this is like the cheapest one I could find on Amazon, because I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I don't know if I really want to hair, you know, like how my hair is gonna look like crimped. So I didn't want to spend too much money on something that I wasn't too sure about. But this one was actually really good, and I didn't spend that much money on it, and it's super cute. Your hair looks on point. I really like this. So the next thing I want to show you guys are these candles. So these are like fake candles, but I freaking love these. They look so real. And then especially if you have kids, even if you don't, it's just like, I love these. So it comes with a remote. You can just turn it on. I'm not sure if you guys saw, so this one turned on. I think this one needs batteries, but if you guys saw it, so you can just literally like control it with this remote. But it's just, I love these. They set the vibe. Like I have some downstairs and upstairs in their living rooms, and it's like perfect. If you love candles around your house but don't want to worry about starting a fire or anybody getting hurt, those are a really good idea, and I really like those. And yeah, I think we're almost finished. So one of the last things I wanted to mention were these little clips, you guys. So this is like a little baby cute outfit. Isn't this so cute? So I actually bought these little clips on Amazon. So it came like in a pack. Hopefully it's focused. It came like in a pack of like 24, I want to say. But this was just so convenient. I honestly didn't even know that like these were like a thing. So you just hook them into like the actual hanger, and then you can use them to hang up like little pants or like little bloomers or anything like that. So I thought that was super freaking adorable, and it just made like me putting up her clothes so much easier. Before I ordered these, I was just trying to like fold the little pants inside like just the actual hanger part, and they kept falling off, and that's when I was like, okay, this is freaking annoying. So if you have like little kids clothes or anything like that that you struggle with, or even just stuff that you want to like, maybe a scarf that you want to go with like your outfit or something like that, or like an accessory that you want to go, you could probably even use these clips to kind of just help put that outfit together. Even like maybe jewelry or something like that, like you want to just have it ready set to go. These clips would probably help you out a lot. But yeah, I wanted to recommend those because they were super convenient, and I think I paid like maybe 10 bucks for like a pack of 24, or I'm not sure. Last but not least is actually my phone case. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my freaking case is so freaking beat up because I've dropped this so many times. I literally just dropped this yesterday on concrete. It was raining and I dropped it and it went like this, and I was like, oh, this, every time I drop my phone I'm like, this is it, like it broke this time. And literally I was so freaking surprised that it did not break. But this is such a good case. It's so, like, I feel like it's so girly, it's so cute. It's a little on the bulkier side, but it's just something that I've learned to like. It's either like you want a really thin case and probably just break your phone, or a little bit of a thicker case and you're good to go, because trust me, I've dropped this so many times. This is such a good case. And again, I love the fact that it's like girly, the design it has here. So this is from the brand here. It says Cosmos series. But I just thought this is super cute. I love like the marble and the design. But I've had this case for a while, you guys, and I highly recommend this brand or whatever of cases because it's done such a good job of protecting my phone. I think that's pretty much it for all of my Amazon favorites at the moment. If you guys have any recommendations of stuff that I should try, leave it in the comments down below. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.